Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma and in this session we talk about the subject telecommunication. So this subject is very most important for the electrical, electronics and CSRT students. So here we talk about the 90 MCQs with related telecommunication in EKT. So let's get starting. Here first question, indicate the false statement. Nothing that no carry is transmitter with J3E. We see that. So there are four options. Option A, the receiving cannot use the phases comparator to AFC. Option B, adjacency channel rejection is more difficult. Option C, production of AGC is rather complicated process. Option D, the transmission is not complicated with A3E. So here the most important point is that the false statement. So option B is only false because here adjacent channel rejection is more difficult. It is not correct. It is easy. Okay. Now come to the next question. Indicate the false statement. Fourier analysis show that the sawtooth wave consists of. So there are four options. Option A, fundamental and some harmonic sine wave. Option B, a fundamental sine wave and an infinite number of harmonics. Option C, fundamental and harmonic sine wave whose amplitude decreases with the harmonic number. And option D, sinusoidal voltage, some of the which are small enough to the ignore in practice. So here first option A is your incorrect. Okay, now come to the next question. Your next question is indicate the false statement modulation is used to. So there are four options. Option A, B, C and D, and here false statement is reduce the bandwidth used. Okay, and in the modulation process the bandwidth is going to be increased, not be going to be decreased. So option A is your incorrect. Now come to the next question. Indicate the false statement from the transmitter. The signal deterioration because of the noise is usually. So there are four options. Option A, B, C and D. And false statement with related given question is option B, that is predictable in character. Now come to the next question. Indicate the true statement. Most receivers confirm to the. So here true statement is only option C, that is your super heterogeneous group. Okay, now come to the next question. Indicate the false statement. The need of the modulation and best be explained by the following. So here four options. Option A, B and C. Here option A is defined as antenna length will be approximately x by 4 long. Option B, an antenna in a standard broadcast AM band is 60,000 feet. Option C, all sound of the concentrated from the 20 Hz to the 20 kilohertz. And option 4, a message is composed to unpredictable vibration in the both amplitude and frequency. So here option A is incorrect, that is your antenna length will be approximately x by 4 long. Now come to the next question. Indicate the true statement. The process of sending and receiving started as early as. So here four options and correct answer for this question is option D, that is your 1840s. Now come to the next question. Which step is not included in the process of the decryption? So correct answer is your option B, that is your encoding. Next question. The acoustic channel is used for which of the following? So here four options. Option A, B, C and D, but correct answer is option D, that is person to person voice communication. Now come to the next question. Amplitude modulation is the process of superimposing a low frequency on a high frequency. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. One of the following type of the noise become a great importance at a high frequency is the. So right answer for this question is transient time noise. Transient time noise is your correct answer. Now next question. Indicate the false statement. So there are four options. Option A, HF mixer are generally noisier than HF amplifier. Next, option B, impulse noise voltage is independent of the bandwidth. Option C, thermal noise is independent of the frequency at which it is measured. And option D, industrial noise is usually of the impulse type. So correct answer for this question is option B, that is your impulse noise voltage is independent of the bandwidth. Now come to the next question. The value of the resistor creating thermal noise is doubled. The noise power generator is therefore is unchangeable. Option D is your correct answer. Next question. Indicate the noise whose source is in a category of different from that is the other three. So correct answer for this question is atmospheric noise. Option C is your correct answer. Next question. Indicate the false statement. The square of the thermal noise voltage generated by resistor is proportional to. So here correct answer for this question is option C, that is your Boltzmann constant. Next question. Which of the following broad classification of noise are most difficult to treat? So correct answer for this is noise generated in a receiver. Next question. Space noise generally cover a wide frequency spectrum, but strongest interference occur between the 20 to 120 megahertz. That is option C. Now next question. When dealing with random noise calculation, it must be remembered that here main point of the remedying is it is based on the RMS values. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is the most reliable measurement of the comparing amplifier noise characteristics? So correct answer for this is noise factor. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following statement is true? So correct answer for this question is option C. Noise is a mixture caused by the inadequate image frequency rejection. Next question. If the plate supply voltage for a plate modulated class C amplifier is V, the maximum plate cathode voltage could be almost as high as, that is your 4 volt. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. In a low level AM system, amplifier following the modulation stage must be, it is a linear devices. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. If the carrier of a 100% modulated AM wave is suppressed, the percentage power saving will be, so it will be the 66.66. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. Leak type bias is used in a plate modulated class C amplifier too, that is prevent the excessive grid current. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. When a receiver has a good blocking performance, this means that it is unaffected by AGC derived from nearby transmission. So option C is your correct answer. Next question. The modulation index of AM wave is changed from 0 to 1. The transmitted power is increased by 50%. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. One of the advantages of the base modulation over collector modulation of the transistor class C amplifier is. So correct answer for this question is option A, the lower modulating power required. Next question. A carrier is simultaneously modulated by two sine wave with a modulation indices of 8:3 and 0.4. The total modulation indexes, so we say that total number of indices is 0.5. Option C is your correct answer. Next question. Amplitude modulation is used for broadcasting because it is used to avoid receiver complexity. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. What is the ratio of modulating power to total power at 100% modulation? So ratio is 1:3. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. Indicate the false statement regarding the advantage of SSP over double sideband full carrier AM. So correct answer for this question is option B, that is transmitter circuit must be more stable, giving better receptor. Next question. When the modulation index of an AM wave is doubled, the antenna current is also doubled. The AM system being used is used for the single sideband and suppressed carrier, that is your J3E. Option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Indicate which one of the following advantage of the phase cancellation method of the obtaining SSB over the filter method is false. So correct answer for this question is option D, that is there are more balanced modulator, therefore the carrier is suppressed better. This is your false statement. Now come to the next question. The most commonly used filter in SSB generator are, that is your mechanical. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. In a SSB transistor, one is the most likely to find, that is your class B RF amplifier. Option C is your correct answer. Next question. Indicate in which one of the following only one sideband is transmitted, that is your H3E. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. One of the following cannot be used to remove the unwanted sideband in SSB. This is your balanced modulator. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. R3E modulation is sometimes used to. This is used to simplify this frequency stability problem in reception. So correct answer for this question is your option B. Now come to the next question. To provide two or more voice circuit with the same carrier, it necessary to use. This is necessary to use ISB. So option A is your correct answer. Next question. Vestigial sideband modulation C3F is normally used for. This is used for the basically TV broadcasting. So option C is your correct answer. Come to the next question. In a stabilized rectangle modulator AFC system, so there are correct answer for this question is option C, that is discriminate frequency must not be too low or the system will be fails. Okay. Now come to the next question. In the spectrum of the frequency modulation wave, so correct answer for this question is option B, that is amplitude of any sideband depend on the modulation index. Now come to the next question. Difference between the phase and frequency modulation. So correct answer for this question is lies in the different definition of the modulation indexes. Okay. Next question. Indicate the false statement regarding the Armstrong modulation system. So correct answer for this question is equalization is necessary, but here in the Armstrong modulation it is not necessary. So option D is your correct answer. Come to the next question. An FM signal with a modulation index MF is passed through a frequency tripler. The wave in the outside of the tripler will have the modulation index of, so here modulation index is 3 MF. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. FM signal with a derivation and is passed through a mixture and has its frequency reduced 5-fold. The derivation is the outcome of the mixture is what? So outcome of mixture is your sigma. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. A pre-emphasis circuit provides extra noise immunity by it is provided by the amplifying the higher audio frequency. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Since noise phase modulation the FM wave as the noise sideband frequency approaches the carrier frequency, the noise amplitude. So correct answer for this question is option B, that is decreased. Next question. When the modulating frequency is doubled, the modulation increase is halved and the modulating the voltage remain the constant. The modulation system is this is your frequency modulation. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Indicate which of the following is not advantage of FM over AM. So correct answer is option B, that is lower bandwidth is required. Now come to the next question. One of the following is an indirect way of generating FM. This is that is called your Armstrong modulator. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next. In a FM stereo multiplex transmission, so correct answer for this question is a difference signal modulating the 38 kilohertz sub carrier. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Indicate which of the following statement about the advantage of the phase discriminator over the slope detector is false. That is your greater limiting. So option C is your correct answer for this question. Next question. So which of the following statement about the amplitude limiter is untrue? That is your false. So correct answer for this question is option A, that is the circuit is always biased in the class C by the virtue of the leak type bias. So this is your untrue statement with related your amplitude limiter. Now come to the next question. In our radio receiver with simple AGC. So correct answer for this is an increase in signal strength produces more AGC. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. In a broadcast, super heterodyne receives mixer input must be turned to the single frequency. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next. To prevent the overloading of the IF amplifier in a receiver, one should be used. This should be used variable sensitivity. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. The super heterodyne receive with an 1F of 450 kilohertz to tune to the signal at 1200 kilohertz. The image frequency is 2100 kilohertz. Now come to the next question. In a radio detector, there are four options. So option A is correct, that is your linearity is worse than in the phase discriminator. Now come to the next question. The type of the Scratch circuit cutoff. It is type of the an audio amplifier when the carrier is absent. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Indicate the false statement in connection with communication receiver. So false statements are is option D, that is your variable sensibility is used to eliminate selective fading. So option D is your incorrect answer. Now come to the next question. The controlled oscillator synthesizer is sometimes preferred over the direct one because it is relatively free of the spurious frequency. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The frequency generated by each decade in a direct frequency synthesizer is much higher than the frequency. So this is done to reduce the spurious frequency problem. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Indicate which of the following circuit could not demodulate SSP, that is your phase discriminator. Option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next. In a FET is used as a first AF amplifier in a transistor receiver. This is this will be have to effect of, this is the effect of the reducing the effect of the negative peak clipper. So here option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Indicate the false statement. The super heterogeneous receiver replaced the TRF receiver because the latter suffered from, so it is suffered from gain variance over the frequency coverage range, insufficient gain and sensitivity, inadequate selectivity at a high frequency, and option D, that is your instability. So correct answer for this question is option B, that is insufficient gain and sensitivity. Now come to the next question. The image frequency of a super heterogeneous receiver, so option C is your correct answer, that is not reject the IF tuned circuit. Now come to the next question. One of the main function of the RF amplifier in the super heterogeneous receiver is, this is your improve the reduction of the image frequency. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. A receiver has poor IF selectivity. It will therefore also have poor, that is your blocking. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. 3-point tracking is achieved with, this is achieved with the pedal capacitor. So option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The local oscillator of the broadcast receiver is tuned to the frequency higher than the incoming frequency. So option D is correct for this question, to allow the adequate frequency coverage without switching. Now come to the next question. If the intermediate frequency is very high, indicate false statement. So false statement with related this question is tracking will be improved. This is totally false. Okay. Now come to the next question. A low ratio of AC to the DC load impedance of the diode detector result in the negative peak clipping. Now come to the next question. One of the following cannot be used to demodulated SSB, that is not used for the, that is bipolar transistor balance modulator. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Digital signals. So digital signals are, so option D is correct for this question, that is all of above, and options are do not provide a continuous set of the values. Option C represent the value as the discrete step. Option C can utilize the decimal or binary system. So all of these are correct answer with related digital signals. So option D is correct. Now next question. The event which marked the start of the modern computer age was, that is your development of transistor. So option C is your correct answer. The birth rate, this is equal to the twice of the bandwidth of an ideal channel. So option B is your correct answer. Next question. The Shannon-Hartley law, it is refers to the noise. So option D is your correct answer. Next question. The code which provide the parity check is, that is your ASCII code, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now option B is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. A forward error correction code corrects error by, so correct answer for this question is option C, that is requiring no part of the signals to be retransmitted. Now come to the next question. Full duplex operation. So correct answer for this question is option E, that is all of above, and options are required 2 pair of cable. Yes, it is correct. Can transfer data in both direction at a once. Yes, of course. Requires modem at a both end of the circuit. Yes. So in the case of the full duplex, all the operation is performed. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The RS-232 interface, it is the interface of the interconnect data set and transmission circuit. So option A is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Switching system. So switching system is based on the limited to small data network. So option D is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. The data transmission rate of the modem is measured in, this is measured in the bits per second. So option C is your correct answer. Now come to the next question. Broadband long distance communication were made possible by the advent of the. So correct answer is repeater amplifier. Option B is your correct answer. Next question. The signal is extended from 9 kilohertz to 100 kilohertz. So the minimum sampling frequency required is, that is required what? That is required 200 kilohertz. Now come to the next question. In a modulation system, if modulating frequency is doubled, the modulation index also becomes doubled. The system is called your PM. Okay. Now come to the next question. Losses is optical fiber can be caused by. So correct. We found only the false statement. So false statement for this question is option D, that is step index operation, and true statements are impurities, microbending, and attenuation in the glass. So correct answer for this question is option D. Now come to the next question and last question of this session, that is a modulation system used for video modulation in TV transmission is, that is your option B, VSB. So VSB is your correct answer. Now this session is ended here. I hope you understand all the questions. If you have any queries, so comment me. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.